Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this playlist. This is specifically the myEcon full business review for 2025. Now, if you have come onto this playlist and you haven't seen all of the videos here, it's kind of important that you open up the links in the description down below and kind of start from the beginning, because what we're going to be doing is going over with you everything that you get inside of myEcon in 2025. Everything from what you need to know about the compensation plan, what you need to know about the actual business, the company itself. Obviously, what you get when you partner with me and my team, which is the funnel team, that is in video number 2, and you can see that right here. So if you need access to the full playlist itself, link in the description right down below this video, and you can jump right into that. Now, in this video specifically, what we're going to do is we're going to go through and do a back office tour. So we're going to open up the myEcon members area here, and we're going to do a full tour of the back office. I'm going to show you everything that's in here, all the products and services, their marketing system, and everything else you need to know about your back office, and some very basics as you get started as a myEcon affiliate. I'm going to let you know some of the things that you need to do first in order to have your business functional, ready to go, and off the ground. Also, keep in mind, too, once you get in and partnered with us and get started with myEcon, you're also going to get full access to our team's exclusive and proprietary funnel team training site and marketing system. Now, you're not going to get this on any other team. You're not going to get this if you're on a leg and you're outside of our team. This is only exclusively for people that are down underneath me on my specific myEcon team. Okay. I have lots of people ask me, they'll message me here on my videos and say, hey, is there a way I can still get your system? I'm on so-and-so's team, or can I buy your system? And the answer to that, my friend, unfortunately, is no, you cannot. This is, again, exclusive only to the members of our team, and it's 100% free with your myEcon membership. As I explained in the second video right over here, guys, okay, there's over $10,000 in free value with our system. So this contains all of your sales funnels, training, everything you need to do, additional courses valued at thousands of dollars. It's all inside here, every single step you need to start marketing your business. So let's dive into the myEcon members area here, and let's kind of talk about what you need to know once you get started. Now, first off, the very first day when you get started, it's kind of important to, if I were you, I would set up a couple of basic things right off the bat, and that would be your direct deposit so you can get paid, and you basically want to activate yourself as an affiliate. So you're going to go right over here to where it says My Account. So I'm going to jump in here first, get this out of the way, and talk about some basic things here. So first and foremost, when you get started with myEcon, you'll notice right here where it says under My Website, this is where your enrollment links are. So if you get started, you want to turn around, you want to sign somebody up right away, this is where you're gonna go to grab your link so you can turn around and share that with somebody. So again, My Account and then My Website, and you'll see enrollment direct links right there. And you'll have all your direct links, no matter what level that you join at. You'll have all the links to share, whether it be the option for $25 or $45 or $100. You'll have all those options right in there. What you're going to want to do is come over here to where it says My Commission. Now, for me, I already have this information in here where it says Form W-9, direct deposit, commission reports. When you just get started, if you have not activated these things yet, there should be a link right here that says Become an Affiliate. Now, how you become an affiliate is obviously, yes, if you're in here, you already got started, you already got paid, so technically you're an affiliate. But in order to be paid as an affiliate, you have to go fill out your W-9, okay? So this allows them to, send out the proper tax forms at the end of the year, your 1099. And then you're also going to fill out your direct deposit information, where you're going to submit a copy of your license. You're also going to submit usually a voided check with a routing number and an account number. Okay. So this is, you want to do this kind of really on day one and just kind of get that out of the way. Then once it's done, you really never have to think about it or worry about it ever again. Also, one other thing to note in the My Account section is right here. I have a lot of people that will say, hey, how can I upgrade? I came in at, the $25 level. I want to get up to the higher level, which is the EBM level, Elite Business Membership. Okay. If you want to get to that level, you can come right here. Again, My Account, My Membership, and then right here where it says Upgrade. Okay. So simple as that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to head out to BMC Home, which is your Business Management Center. This is where we're going to spend the rest of the time here on this video, walking you through the myEcon members area. Now, I do want to point out there is a drop down tag right here or drop down menu right here where it says my products. That same menu that you see right here, it's just another version of it, is the same thing that you see right here in what's called the product carousel. So we're going to start out here with the basics. This is where your products and services are, and you can access them two different ways, either right here in the product carousel or the drop-down menu as you see right here, okay? So your first product, and I'm going to do a video individually on each one of these so you can kind of have a little more in-depth dive into each product and service. So later on in this playlist, what you're going to see, depending on when you watch the videos here in this playlist, you're going to see a lot more videos down here under the playlist as I go through each of these products specifically to give you more information in each product, okay? So obviously you have your W-4 correction, your credit system, travel membership, Defender Plus, debt elimination, minimized taxes, cash flow manager, the cash flow strategist, okay? All of those things inside of your product carousel. There's also one product that hasn't made it to the product carousel yet because it's a brand new product. It literally just launched. So let me show you that right here. Okay, you can see right here where it says tax preparation. This is one of their newest products. This is, yes, where you can actually get your taxes done through myEcon. And when you think about this, this is specifically for people that have home-based business, and it's being done by people that know home-based business. So chances are you're going to get a really good tax return done through people that know home-based business really, really well. So very, very, very excited about that. So again, if you want to access the newest product, it will be here in the carousel very, very soon. But if you need to access that here, go into the products drop-down menu, okay? So that's the first thing. When you want to access your products, services, all of those things right in the beginning, right in the product carousel, right up top. Now, a couple other things to know. As you'll see here, I have a couple of things hidden on the main screen right here, okay? There's the membership intro video. So when you first start out, you're going to see the membership intro video right here, and it's going to give you a basic overview into myEcon, the company, how to get started, some basic things like that. I want you to keep in mind too, when you join our team specifically, you're not really I downloaded that by accident. Oops. I thought it was the thought it was the actual menu to drop it. Hide intro. That's what I wanted to do. Now, certainly you can go ahead and you can review that if you want to, but all of your training that you're going to need once you become part of our team is going to be right here in your team training site. When you get started with me or someone on our team, we're going to email you the second you get started, and we're going to send you access to this team training site. All of the training that you need is going to be right here, okay? You can, again, certainly if you want to, you can go some of the myEcon training, but if you want to see what we do, how we have massive duplication on our team, you're going to want to utilize our training services, okay? Now, I'm not saying that, anything bad about the myEcon training. I'm just saying that the reason why, we're as successful as we are is because how specifically we do it, okay? There's also another intro video here. Again, you might see that. You can minimize those things just like I have it minimized here, okay? Certain things about getting started, fast start introduction, fast start traditional marketing, fast start online marketing. So you kind of understand that. There's a couple of different ways that they talk about promoting your business, traditional versus, fast start being online. Now, here's where it gets kind of cool. They just recently updated the automated marketing system, and this is very self-explanatory. So with each of the products and services, they give you different ways, different methods that you could be marketing each of those products or services, and they kind of walk you through that. So the same way that they have the product carousel up top, they also have what's called a marketing carousel. So if you want to market the business itself, you could see it right here, Elite Business Membership, or let's say you wanted to market exclusively just the Viro tax. Maybe you're a tax professional. Maybe you want to get some marketing materials out there. You want to help market your business. You can do that as well. If you wanted to market just the FSM membership, you could do that. Okay. So also inside of your marketing system is you actually obviously have access to your profile, your contacts, your share page, in other words, your affiliate link, and then any training replays right here. So pretty cool system. This is newly updated. Again, in my upcoming videos, I'm going to have a video exclusively for the marketing system, doing a deep dive, just like I'm going to do a deep dive on all of the products. Okay. So again, with this playlist, I just want to make sure that, as you look out into 2025 and you're trying to pick your business of choice, or you just want more information on myEcon in 2025, you're just looking for that review that really deep dives into everything you need to know, it's going to be right here on this playlist. Okay. So whether it be a product, service, the compensation plan, the marketing plan, the marketing materials, any of that, it's all going to be right here on this playlist. Okay. So let's continue going down. Once you get past the marketing system, now you're getting to, some of the meat and potatoes of, the compensation plan, reports, video trainings, document center, basically everything you need to run your business. Now, this is, I'm going to phrase this lightly. This is for standard affiliates that are with myEcon that are not on the funnel team, that are not part of our team. Once you join our team, this is really the only place you need to be, because all of the stuff that we find pertinent and really important for you to know is all right here in your team training site. So in other words, you don't have to kind of go through the myEcon members area and get confused on what they teach versus what we teach. We're going to teach you how we duplicate, the way that we duplicate, show you everything that you need to do. If you're learning two different methods of building your business, it can create confusion. And, with confusion, usually there's no results there. Okay. So even in here too, I want you to understand, inside of our team training site, we have right here how to use your membership. So everything that you're really going to need to know is going to be right there inside of our team training site. So I'm just doing this walkthrough so everybody can understand what's in the back office, what you get access to, all of those things. Okay. So your compensation, you have all the different comp plan documents right here. So if anyone needs the compensation plan, the PDFs, any of that sort of stuff, you have access to that right here. Pretty straightforward. Your reports. This is, again, very, very straightforward. I'm not going to go through every single report because there's a lot of reports here. And to be honest with you, most of them you don't really need. Okay. I'm going to talk about 3 reports right now. Really 4 that I use on a consistent / semi-consistent basis. Okay. So one is your at a glance report. Your at a glance, as you're getting close to ranking up, this is where you're going to go get what I call the hard number. So as you're getting close to infinity, or as you're getting close to CEO, the at a glance report is going to tell you exactly where you're at. So there's no guessing. Okay. So you're going to know what numbers you need to hit in order to get to the next rank. That's where the at a glance report comes into play. Okay. The next report that I look at, this one is literally, now the at a glance, I look at that literally once a week. It's the only time you really need to reference that. And to be honest, at this point, as a CEO myself, I really don't need to reference it anymore because I've hit the highest rank. There's really nothing else to measure there. So that would, you would look at that report, the at a glance report, once a week, basically until you hit CEO. Okay. Now your team sales report, this I look at every single day, multiple times a day. This is all the sales that you're doing week by week. So not only for you personally, but your entire team. So we can click into that and I can show you, hey, we have 70 sales this week, 300 sales this week, 400 sales this week. And you're going to see every person on your team that's making a sale and how many sales they've made. That is in your team sales report. Okay. The other one that I check out probably every so often, again, maybe like once a week, is the sponsorship viewer. Now, the sponsorship viewer, if you want to drill down, that's where you're going to look in your sponsorship viewer. So if you need to look, someone who sponsored someone who sponsored someone, you're going to see that inside of your sponsorship viewer. That's where your entire team is. And the difference between that and the team sales report is the team sales report is week by week, who's making sales, how many sales have they made that week. Your sponsorship viewer is literally everything. Okay. That's literally where you see every person, every sale, and it's all, you can drill down step by step, clicking on one person at a time. Okay. Now your commission reports, this is where, it's as simple as it is. You're going to access your commissions. Okay. Week by week. Again, I reference this report here maybe once a week on Fridays. I'll glance at it. Cool. made a lot of money. Awesome. And that's really it. The only one that I really reference here is specifically this commission check history. Other than that, the holding balance, the enrollment via direct links, I don't reference any of that stuff. It's really just the commission check history once a week. And usually your commission check for Friday will show up in here on Thursday. Okay. So you can usually see it about 24 hours in advance, which is really cool. And that's really it. Those are really the only reports that I reference on a consistent basis here inside your myEcon members area. Document Center, pretty straightforward right here. The video training, again, also very straightforward. Don't really need to dive too far into that. They have some previous training replays in there if you want to access those. Again, very straightforward. If you're looking for just general knowledge videos, you can jump right in there. And of course, your Document Center, this is where you're going to get any of your like webinar slide presentations, any business materials, all of that stuff is going to be here inside of your Document Center. A lot of the documents that I've used on a lot of my myEcon presentations here on YouTube have come right here from the Document Center. And that's really it. That's the basic back office overview that you really just need to know and understand how to navigate once you get inside there. And once you understand what I just showed you, you're on your way. You can be rocking and rolling. And again, remember, as you're going to get out there and you're going to start duplicating, you're start doing the actual work, the what I call IPA, income producing activities. In order to start doing those on our specific team, you're going to be operating right here inside of our team training site. And of course, you can have access direct to your myEcon members area right here from our team training site. And then we just link everything together with you, show you how to set up your sales funnels and everything that you need. So that is it, my friend. If you have not got started yet with myEcon, you can literally do that. Link in the description down below for less than $25, my friend. Get over $10,000 in free value with our system and be part of an epic, incredible, fast-growing team in our myEcon business. And couldn't be more than happy to have you on board. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you very, very much. If you made it to this point in the video, this point in the playlist, and you have not hit that subscribe button, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. I hope you're getting a lot of value from this myEcon full business review for 2025. Again, make sure if you have not watched some of the first videos, link in the description down below this video, and you can watch the first videos to make sure you understand the compensation plan and everything else that you need here with your myEcon business. That is it, my friend. I will see you on the very next video. Take care.